Blutbart.
Hello and welcome back to another behind the scenes toy photography video. This week I'm going to show you how to make a garden with aquarium decorations. I call this shot the secret garden. I'll also show you my editing process. Ever since my acquisition of some aquarium plant decorations, I've been wanting to take a photo of a peaceful garden scene, and what better action figure to use than Momaw Nadon. His species, the Ithorians, were renowned in the Star Wars universe for their botanical skills. This character was such a highly skilled botanist that he was able to grow jungle plants from his home planet in the arid desert sands of Tattooine. Hardcore Star Wars fans will remember that Nadon kept his garden secreted away in a canyon south of the Mos Eisley Spaceport. I don't really have the resources or space to make a proper canyon right now, so I settled for him appreciating a garden in the city itself. Or maybe once the Empire was defeated, he grew more confident and started another garden in the city. Either way, I find a little imagination can usually smooth over bumps in the continuity, something the greater Star Wars fandom might consider trying from time to time, instead of throwing tantrums over every minor slip-up. But I digress. If you're looking to fill out some of your own dioramas with plants, you can find aquarium decorations like these for dirt cheap on Amazon, and they have quite a bit of variety. Once I had my scene set up, I moved my background TV into place and finalized my lighting. Here's my base image. If you look closely, you'll notice some glare from my light just behind my action figure. I took a second exposure with that light turned off and began my editing process by blending those two exposures together with a soft-edged brush and layer masking. Next, I merged the layers and added levels, color balance, and warm photo filter adjustment layers. After that, I carefully removed all the articulation joints on my action figure. Lastly, I used the dodge tool to lighten up the skin of my subject as well as some of the scenery. So once again, here's my starting image. And here's where I ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, and maybe check me out on Instagram. Thanks, and until next time.